we are under siege. The democracy in South Africa as we know it is disappearing. We are back in the apartheid days. My comrade, the Khalni House, the national spokesperson of Umkhonto weSizwe Military Veterans Association, has just been taken away by the cops, and they've put him in a van. I don't know, we don't know where they are taking him to. Sise Escort, Comrade Khalni House is being arrested by police while addressing the media. The freedom of the press is under siege. My comrade in arms is being taken away. We don't know what's the charge, but here they are. There is no social distance as my protectors, the law enforcement agencies, are taking my comrade. They are so close to him. I don't know if he's not going to get infected, but they are leading him inside. Comrade Carl, be strong. Be joyful. You are going to join President Jacob Zuma. But we are here, my brother. Carl! 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 Amandla! This is what is happening now. Viva Comrade Khalni House, viva! Amandla! Phansi nabacindezeli phansi! Phambili ne freedom of press phambili!